Hey everyone, this is Chris at Cryptocurrent, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to set a conditional buy order. So a conditional buy order is pretty much a type of order that you can tell whichever exchange you're on, and in this case it's Binance, you can tell this exchange that you want to buy a certain asset only when it goes above a certain price. So for example, if I wanted to buy Bitcoin only once it cracked the previous high, 64,850, then I could go ahead and set a conditional buy order that would tell Binance, all right, he wants to buy some Bitcoin above this specific price point. So pretty much how to do this is that you're going to come down here, and right here I have the Bitcoin USD pair opened. You're going to come down here and you're going to click on the stop limit button. So once you click on the stop limit button, you're going to see these three little parameters: the stop, the limit, and the amount. So right now I have about 50 US dollars that I'm just going to use for an example. But let's say in my head as a trader, I was thinking, all right, I want to position myself in Bitcoin only once it gets above the previous all-time high, which in this case right here was 64,854. So what I would do is I would input that value, right? The previous all-time high. So it goes 6,400, there we go, 64,854. And the limit would be the price that I actually want my order to be filled at, which let's say would be 65,000. So with those two numbers right here, what I'm telling Binance to do is I'm telling them that, all right, once the price rises up to the previous high, I want an order, a buy order, to be placed at 65,000. So that once or if the price goes up to 65,000, then I can buy some Bitcoin. So I'll go ahead down here and, with the $55 that I have, I'll go ahead and buy some Bitcoin or set this conditional buy order. And it'll tell me down here exactly like what it's doing. It'll say if the last price rises above 64,854 US dollars, an order to buy some Bitcoin will be placed at $65,000. You can go ahead and click and confirm. So what I just told the exchange to do here is that if the price goes above this certain level, then I would like an order to be placed on the market at $65,000. So one reason that you would want to have this order kind of in your arsenal of trading techniques is that some people like to trade breakouts, right? And what that means is that some people like to buy a certain coin or asset only once it's gone above its previous highs. Because once a coin or asset has gone above the previous highs, then there's no resistance for it to face. That means it's likely to keep going higher. So for example here, if Bitcoin went above the previous high, it's very likely that it's going to continue going higher. So what I'd end up doing is setting a conditional buy order so that I could have an order placed right up here above the previous high. If I ever wished to cancel this order, all I have to do is scroll down a little bit, and this would be my order right here, and then I could go ahead and click cancel. And all the money, the 55 US dollars in this case, would be put back into my balance. Anyways, I hope you guys kind of understood what a conditional buy order is and why it's pretty helpful to know. Anyways, if you liked it, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll be back with some more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.